Hi dear students, welcome to Social Science class. In today's class, we will be continuing the fifth lesson in social science, that is the soil story. In the last class, we have studied about the different types of soil, and we also studied about how the different types of varieties of soil formed on the earth. In today's class, we will be studying about three major types of soil which is very common on earth. They are called sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. So apart from this soil, there are n number of soils are available or present on earth, but we have to study minimum. We are going to study three major types of soil which is present on earth. First, we are going to study about sandy soil. There are different types of soil. In some places, soil contains pebbles, sand, clay and humus. Soil classified into the following three types based on its components. First, we are going to study about sandy soil. Due to large air spaces, water easily passes through this sand. So what is the major speciality of this sandy soil? Due to its large air spaces, water can easily pass through the sandy soil. And in the last classes, we have studied about sandy soil from the previous lesson, isn't it? So we have studied about sandy soils are mainly present in deserts and the seashore, mainly to the area which is very near to the seas. We can see the sandy soil. So what is the major speciality of this kind of soil? Due to its large air spaces, water can easily pass through this soil. Sandy soil does not contain much moisture and it's very dry. And most of the time we can see this sandy soil remains very dry and neat. What is the major reason? The water can easily pass through this kind of soil. As a result, most of the time this kind of soil remains very dry and neat. It is found mainly in desert and on seashores. It is used for making cement and glass. So these are the major uses of the sandy soil. What is it? It is used for making cement and glasses. Now we are going to study the second type of soil. It is called clay soil. As you see here, this is a very common kind of soil in our places, isn't it? It's clay soil. These are some of the images of clay soil. It has very fine particles with tiny air spaces within. So comparing to desert soil, in the desert soil they have large air spaces, but here in the clay soil they have very small tiny air spaces in it. So the clay soil can hold water with ease. So always, most of the time, this clay soil contains what? Water in it. It is also very sticky. Clay soil is found mainly near riverbeds. The clay soil mainly found in the areas of riverbeds. It is used for making bricks, tiles, earthen pots and toys. So these are the major uses of clay soil. What is it? It is used for making bricks, tiles and earthen pots and toys. The pots which are made out of clay are called what? Earthen pots. And this is the third type of soil, loamy soil. Comparing to desert and clay soil, the loamy soil is considered as one of the very fertile soil. And it is a mixture of sand, clay and lots of humus. So it is a mixture of loamy soil is a mixture of what? Mixture of sand, clay and lots of humus. What do you mean by humus? Humus are the remains of dead plants and animals are generally called what? Humus. So the loamy soil contains sand, clay and humus in it. It can hold both air and water. So that is other speciality of this loamy soil. It can hold air and water. So it is fertile and good for plants. So this is loamy soil considered as one of the very fertile soil on earth. This fertile soil is good for plants. Loamy soil is found in farms and areas that are green. So loamy soil mainly found in the areas which is green and in farm. It is used for making bricks, tiles, earthen pots and toys. So these are the major uses of this loamy soil. It is used for making bricks, tiles, earthen pots and toys. In today's class, we have mainly studied these three types of soil. Among that, the loamy soil considered as one of the very fertile soil which is available on earth. Now we are going to study about the importance of soil. What are the various uses of this soil? First, soil is important for both plants and animals. plants need soil for support and growth. So soil is very essential for the growth of plants and animals. Then people grow different crops in different types of soil, right? So we human beings cultivate different types of crops on different soil. We cultivate wheat, rice, bajra, millet. These are the different types. N number of varieties of crops are available, or we are cultivating on earth, and we are doing this cultivation on different types of soil. So that is the second importance of soil. Then, so that is the fourth use. Soil is also help us to store water under the ground. Then soil is home for many animals and insects. So this is the final use of soil. What is it? Soil is home for many animals and insects. Earthworms, rabbits, rats, beetles, ants, and snails are few examples for it. See, a number of varieties of animals and insects lives where? In the soil. So soil is considered as a home for different types of animals and insects. So these are some of the examples: earthworms, rabbits, rats, beetles, ants, and snails. So in today's class, we have studied about different types of soil, and we also studied about the importance of soil, how the soil is used in different ways. So these are the notes for you. Third question, write short note on loamy soil. Answer: loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay, and lots of humus. It can hold both air and water, so it is fertile and good for plants. It is used for making bricks, tiles, earthen pots, and toys. Fourth question, write any three uses of soil. Plants need soil for support and growth. Their roots absorb nutrients and water from soil. Second, people grow different crops in different types of soil. Third, soil is used for building houses. So these are the question answers. Please write down these question answers into your notebook and study it. Along that, you have to read the textbook minimum 3 to 4 times and get signature from your parents. It's very compulsory. You will be seen in next class. Thank you.